Black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie, and I'm back at it with another mother loving video. So to all of my new subscribers, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I know y'all gonna like this video already because your girl snaps. But today's video I will be showing you guys how I got this custom look right here. Creations by Sue. Okay, but yes, I will be showing y'all how I got this look out of this right here. Yes, 3X, and I paid $7 at Rainbow for this. Follow. Oh yeah, y'all, I have been putting so many people in their bags with my trader. If you guys haven't already known, go ahead and make sure y'all follow me on my social media so I can put y'all in y'all bag too. But yes, if you follow my social media, watch my stories, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, if y'all want to see how I got this outfit, then stay tuned and continue watching. Yeah, let's get into the video. Hey babe, so if you're still here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up. But yes, it's a 3X I got from Rainbow, and I really liked it, the material, y'all. Like the pattern that they have on here, I thought it was super cute. I had no idea what I wanted to use. I mean, what did I wanted to make with this, but I came up with something. So I did measure how long I wanted to put the skirt. Went ahead and folded it over. It was because I seen that it had like the little curve already, so I just kind of basically followed that. And this pattern was kind of easy because everything was like kind of already done for me. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead with these custom templates that I created. Y'all see I got me a tomato. Finally, I needed something to put my pens in. They was just loose in my little bucket thing that I got. But we're gonna go ahead and just cut these out. I did double the fabric so we can make this process quick and easy. Of course, y'all know me, I like to get straight to the point. For the middle part, basically. So after this, I ended up just wrapping it around my waist to see was it long enough, and it was not. So I ended up just cutting another piece. So we got 2 of those, and then we cut the 2 straps for the bra part. So we're gonna go ahead and take the 2 longest ones, sew those together, and then we're going to do the same. We're gonna take this same process through it all, y'all. This is my first time, and next time it would definitely be better. So we're gonna fold this right side, of course. It seemed like I am talking a lot, but I think that's because I fast forwarded this video to make it a little quicker. But if you see me on my phone a lot, I am trying to record for a TikTok video as well. Make sure y'all follow me on there. So for this one, I couldn't use the loop turner because it was too long, and then of course it was not going to fit on there. So I ended up having to use a pen. The pen method works well. Just gotta have a little patience. I'm not going to get into detailed on that, but if you guys want a detailed video, then let me know down in the comment section. This is the bra part, and it already had the hole, so we just gotta sew down. And I didn't sew all the way down to the hole, I just end up cutting that little part off. The strap and connect it to the top. I did lay it over the top, and I tried to sew it as neatly as possible and have the end of it as smooth as possible. and I just literally had to cut off just a little bit, but it still looks really good. So now we're gonna go in with the skirt. So I did start at the hem part first. I just wanted to put that part together, and this was already done for me. Like, it already have the elastic, as you can see, but now I'm just gonna turn the dress upside down and sew it up from the bottom to the top, because I wanted to make sure everything was lined up. I ain't want to have a crooked dress. So now, y'all, we can put this thing together. So I'm just going to use the pen, stick it through, pull it through, like simple. And then we're going to do the same with the other one. And we're going to go ahead and try this thing on. Okay, y'all, before I show y'all this freaking outfit, I just want to say, oh, let me put some on my lips first, because my shit is dry. It's been dry. Oops. Ooh, my battery fell down. I'm gonna have to change that. My battery blinking, so. Y'all, I hate these things. As you do this, as much as you do this, still don't be shit coming out on these motherfuckers. But no, y'all, before I show y'all this outfit, I just want to let y'all know that your girl snapped. I'm getting so much better, and it's lit, it's up. But let me show y'all the fit, because it looked like I just purchased this from the store. But yeah, let me show y'all that. Then I wanted these to like stay like right here, but clearly I got a little belly fat, so they're gonna be rolling up. But yes, this is the final and finishing look. Eee. Let me change my battery real quick. Okay, yes, but y'all, like I was saying, this is it. I love it. Final and finishing look. And I know y'all was looking like, why she got that string so long? Y'all, that string, that was my first time doing using the loop. I forgot exactly what it's called. Hold on, no baby. Mommy recording. Mommy recording, not that toy, okay? Okay, so yeah, it never fails. Give me that. I think this blue look good on my body. Make sure y'all comment a blue heart down below if your girl snap. If y'all want to see more, comment down below some ideas. But y'all, this was my first time using these to do the little loops for these, like to turn them inside out. But that's another thing to talk about. But yes, y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so excited with myself for this creation. Y'all, if y'all haven't already, I will be putting up a video of how to make your own templates, because I've been asleep on these, and look what I use, Christmas paper. But yeah, that video will be up probably a couple days after this. I just recorded it yesterday. But give me some ideas of what y'all think I should make next. But I've been sketching out. Oh, excuse me. I actually wrote this out. Where is it? No. But I actually drew it out. But yeah, I can't find the paper. But yep, this is the final and finishing look. I love it. I love it. I love it. I just got waxed not too long ago. I can't wait till my armpits start to clear up. They already clearing. But yeah, y'all like my natural? I think I'm finna wash it though. Should I wash it? Probably not. But yeah, I'm finna go hop in the shower. This is final finishing look. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, I snapped. I snapped. I snapped. I snapped. I snapped. But yeah, this is it. I love you guys oh so stinking much.
Yes, I do. Ooh, ooh. No, but I love you guys oh so much. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And I'm out.